Okay, boys and girls, today is October 22nd, 2020. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay, so this is today's video summary of what we did. On page 98, we continued reading on page 98 of our MyView 4.1. Make sure you finish reading and annotating, doing your hashtags, boys and girls. 99 is the last page. After that, we went over the STAAR STEM questions. For this week, we did our last word web, which was chromosomes, parts of DNA on cells or in cells that contain the genes. And we went ahead and drew something like a chromosome here. And then we did the STAAR STEM questions. Why did the author include the photograph on page 93? The author included the photograph to show where Scott lived and slept in space. What is the central idea of section duplicate astronauts? The central idea in this section is how research is being done on the twin astronauts. What is the central idea of the selection? We always look at the title for this. We always look at the title. So the central idea of the selection is how research on twin astronauts will help NASA get others to go to Mars. Based on paragraph 11, page 94, the reader can tell that the brothers had the same dream to be astronauts. And the reader can tell that Scott and Mark are in a close relationship. They're determined, they're passionate, they're intelligent, they're invincible, they're hardworking. And we see a compare and contrast structure in page 22 to 23, or paragraph 22 to 23. So make sure you're writing this down. And I did send this through Remind as well. Okay, we have that done, and then we went ahead and did our math. I have my books in a separate space. So make sure you also do your practice quiz for spelling, and you look over those vocabulary word webs for reading. I did send that for homework today. And this is what we did. Again, please make sure you do page 80 through 84. If you have not done so, this is what we did today. Page 80 through 84. If you have any questions, let me know. We did 81 together. Again, this was all doing our notes that we took on our math journal. So please make sure you do those notes. You write them for tomorrow's test. That way you'll be able to answer the questions that are in the test, okay? So that was for math. And then after that, we did do our basic facts quiz, and I believe almost everyone did get to do that. And then we finished our lesson here. Page 156 through 159 in Science Fusion. Make sure you read the solution. Cleaning up an oily mess. We're going to take a 5-question quiz tomorrow for science. I did post a video about the physical changes of matter on the Google Classroom. And then we started off a new chapter in our My World book, starting on page 140. We just read 140 and 141. So please make sure you do that as well. And then we continued with our writing composition on the career. This is again writing collection, the 4th grade writing collection. So please make sure you do that. I want to see a picture of your writing. There's only been a few that have sent that in, so please make sure you do that.